let's just move on further towards some of the problems that are related with all the probability that we have done. So let us suppose if we are starting with the very first question, which says Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays in a year? And the second one is the same birthday ignoring the leap year. So it means we have to find out whether their birthday are lying on the different dates or their birthday are lying on the same dates. So let us suppose if we are starting with the answer for this question for the very first part. But before that, let us suppose we are assuming that however we know Savita and Hamida are friends, and we have to find out the probability that both will have the different birthdays or the same birthdays. So first of all, we can say in a year which do have a total of 365 days, because we are ignoring the leap year which have a 365 days. Savita and Hamida's birthday can lie at any particular day or at any day in a year. So first of all, we'll say that as out of the two girls, let's say Savita's birthday can lie on or can be on any day of the year, and similarly Hamida's birthday can occur on any day out of 365 days of a year. So basically we are assuming the 365 days as equally likely over here. We are taking these 365 days as equally likely over here. So let us suppose if we are starting with the very first part, in which we wanted to have the different birthdays. So if we are talking about Hamida's birthday, let us suppose, so if Savita's and Hamida's birthday occur on or lie on different days. So let's say the number of favorable outcomes for Savita's birthday should be 365 minus 1, which is equal to 364. What does it mean? It means that if on one day Hamida's birthday is lying on Tuesday, then except Tuesday we are counting the other days, which is nothing but 365 minus 1, which is nothing but is equal to 364. So the number of the favorable outcomes for the Savita's birthday should be 365 minus 1, which is equal to 364. Or you can say the number of the favorable outcomes for the Hamida's birthday should be 365 minus 1, that is 364, because we are actually subtracting one day on which Hamida's birthday is occurring. So we are subtracting that favorable number of outcome or that particular outcome from the total number of the outcomes. So it means that the probability that the birthday is on different days, the birthday is on the different days should be nothing but is equal to the number of the outcomes that are favorable to E, that would be nothing but 364 divided by 365. So this is nothing but the answer for the very first part, in which if we are talking about Savita's and Hamida's birthday which lie on the different days, so let's say the number of the favorable outcomes for Savita's birthday should be 364, hence their birthday lies on the different days should be nothing but is equal to 364 by 365. 365. Now let's just talk about the second one. It says their birthdays are lying on the same or both will have the same birthday, So let us suppose if we are talking about both will have the same birthday, the probability of both will have the same birthday. If we just wanted to find out this one, so we remember the events that are complementary. What does it mean? We know that the probability of both will have the same birthday plus the probability of both will not have the same birthday, is equal to 1, because we know that since we are using probability of E plus probability of not E as is equal to 1 over here. So using this particular concept of writing this one, so let's just plug in the values over here, because we just wanted to find out the probability of both will have the same birthday. It should be is equal to 1 minus probability of both will not have the same birthday. So let us suppose if I am writing not the same birthday, and we also know the probability of both will have not the same birthday. Birthday is on the different days. We know that this is exactly is equal to the same one. So this is nothing but 364 by 365. So this is 1 minus 364 by 365. Let's just sort it out. The LCM, this would be 365 minus 364 divided by 365, and hence the answer is nothing but 1 by 365. So this is nothing but the answer for the second part of this particular question, in which Savita's and Hamida's birthday, or they have the same birthday in a year. The probability for that one is nothing but 1 by 365. And if both have the different birthdays, means their birthday lies on the different dates, or their birthdays lie on the different dates. Let us suppose I will take the dates over here, not the days, we can say, or slash I will write the dates over here. So this would be nothing but 364 by 365. So this is nothing but the answer for the very first question.